Attach 8 cords to the dowel using the lark's head knot. I'm using 5mm cord, and each cord is 130 centimeters long. The cord I'm using is listed in the description below. Take the first 4 cords on the left. Using the left cord, go over the 2 middle cords. Using the right cord, go over that cord, around the back and through that opening, and pull that up to the top. Take the right cord over the 2 middle cords, take the left cord over that cord, around the back and through the opening. This is a square knot, and going across the top, do 3 more square knots. Slide the cords over a little bit, just so they're closer together. Take the first 3 cords, skip 1 cord, and then take the next cord and make a square knot. Now take the cord you dropped, the next 2 cords, drop that 4th cord, and grab that next one and do a square knot. Take the dropped cord again, the next 2 cords, drop a cord and take the next one. And now take the dropped cord and the next 3 cords and do a square knot to finish that row. And keep repeating that pattern for a few more rows. I've done 7 rows of square knots in total. Remove the dowel, unfurl the lark's head knots, and trim the ends. And if you like, comb out the fringe.